All right, so quick update on SnipeKit. If you aren't aware, if you are a copywriter struggling to land clients, spending hours trying to find leads online just to be able to outreach to them, guess what? That all ends today because now you can turn 1 hour of prospecting into 1 minute with SnipeKit. So here it is. Here's a little update on the latest in this. Right now, SnipeKit, we just added some more people to the database. So we have 67,000 companies in here. Here's how it works. You log into SnipeKit, you say, hey, I want to check out info, products, coaching courses and stuff like that, and check out the leads. And I want to make sure, here's the thing, I want to make sure that they actually are running Facebook and Instagram ads. So they're proven buyers with a marketing budget. So you come over here, find your leads that you want to check out and outreach to, then simply click here and add them to your list, right? Add them to your list. Once you have a list, okay, you come over here to lead lists. You say, okay, let me go after my relationship coaches list. Okay. So these are all people who are like relationship coaches and stuff like that. And you're like, okay, now that I got my list, all the people that I'm going to outreach to today, what do I do next? Okay. So before you go off here and start clicking through and DMing people and emailing them and whatever, okay, you're going to come over here and we don't want to lose track of all this stuff. So not only is SnipeKit a lead finder tool, so you can find people who actually are high quality leads who have a marketing budget, but you can actually come over here and use it as a CRM, basically track all your outreach, okay? So let's just say, okay, I'm gonna reach out to this person. Okay, I sent them a DM, them a DM, and whatnot. Okay, cool, okay? And now it's the next day, and you got a reply from these 3 people. Great, let's go send that free value pitch. Once you send your free value, just check that off, boom, boom, boom. And now all the people who you sent the free value to are here, okay? You can see every single stage of the process, who you sent a DM to, who replied to you, who you sent free value to, who you've followed up with 1, 2, and 3 times, who you've got on a call with, and who you've landed as a client. Okay, everything in one place. And now there's a brand new thing here called import leads. We just updated this. So if you have people, you're like, oh, I already got a bunch of leads that I'm talking to in the DMs or email list or whatever, like, oh, well, how do I track them all in one place? Simple. Just click import leads. You can import them one by one, business name, Instagram handle, website, or you can actually now upload a full CSV file, right? If you have like, oh, I got 500 leads or 100 leads or 50 people that I'm outreaching to right now, but I don't want to try to track it in Instagram and then track it here and whatever. Just throw them into SnipeKit. They're private to you. These aren't added to the public database, so nobody's going to steal your leads or whatever. You can add it, their own private to your account, and you can add them to your lead list so you can manage this all in one area, super simply right there. So just click here. You got your whole list. Who have I booked a call with? Oh, this guy. Great. Okay. Who do I need to send free value to still? Okay. All these guys. Great. Okay. And then when you're done, you're going to go back here, go back to SnipeKit. And every day we got 67,000 companies in here vetted, right? People with Google ads running, email lists, Facebook ads. Come over here. You can filter by any niche, right? We got info, e-com. You can go by company size, estimated revenue, country, how long the company's been alive for, where their social media is, if they're running Facebook ads, Google ads, if they have an email list, follower count, all the goods, right? All the goods. So you can go through and find, we're going to add tons of new leads daily. Check it out. If you are a copywriter struggling to land clients, if you're struggling to find them, this is half the battle, is just finding good people to actually outreach to, then use SnipeKit. Use SnipeKit. Go turn 1 hour of prospecting into 1 minute of prospecting today. If you want to get started on it, join the 6-Figure Copy Academy at my link in bio. That is the only way to access SnipeKit is by joining the academy. So check it out. Join there today.